What's up, guys? This is Stormy. I am back and we are talking about pattern number 6. Hopefully you got your scales down from 1 through 5. We are almost done. Aren't you excited? Okay, so pattern number 6, which is the Aeolian mode, mode 6. So by now you should know that any mode you play, you can play it in any key as long as you're in the right key. And how do you know if you're in the right key? If you're playing a song in G major, where is G major? The G is right here, and G major will start here. Then you will play mode 1 here, mode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you were in A major, this is the same thing, mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't know this stuff, just go back to the beginning of the series and you can learn all the things that I'm talking about right now. But we are going to play mode 6 in F major. What you're going to do is look at the chart. You're going to just play through the mode first. Don't worry about, trying to make it sound good or anything. Just play through the scale so that you can understand and memorize how the scale goes, and then you can start improvising and stuff with the scale to get it in your mind even better. But let me show you what's the patterns of the scale 6 Aeolian mode. So we're in F major key. F major is right here, and that'll be mode 1 for F major. And then we're going down the scale 2, whole step up 3, half step 4, whole step 5, and then another whole step would be 6, which is right here. This is how you play mode 6 Aeolian mode. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know that once you play the ring finger patterns, what comes next? The three big stretches. So we're going to do the 3 big stretches. And you have to skip down 1 for the warp mode. And then after the 3 big stretches is the 2 index finger patterns. Then you have to move up 1 for the warp mode. And then there's the 2 index finger patterns next. Then we're going to take it back up. So if you don't have your guitar, go ahead and pick it up and play with me. We're going to play it 3 times. And you can play it more. I would like for you to play it at least 10 times in order for you to actually try to memorize the scale. If you having a hard time with memorization, go back to the beginning of this series where I teach you how to memorize the chord, memorize the scale easier. So let's get started. If you find I'm going too fast for you, you can actually slow this video down by clicking on the screw at the bottom, I think it would be your bottom right, and slow the video down. Again. Gonna go one more time. If you cannot keep up with me, just keep doing it until you can get to the speed I'm at without messing up. Slow is always better than fast if you keep messing up. All right, so you're going to keep practicing this scale until you can memorize it. And what better way to do that is using a backing track. So you can pause this video and go find your own backing track, or you can play with me now with my backing track so that we can have some fun together. Okay, I will play first and then I'll let you have it. Make sure you are tuned before all of this, because if not, it's not going to sound good at all. Alright, this was F major. Your turn. hope you can, get the scales down pat. If not, if you keep messing up, that's fine. Just keep practicing. Rewind and play it again. All right, next we're going to A major. See if you can find it in A major. Mode 6. All right. Now you can go practicing all keys until you memorize the mode 6, Aeolian mode, without having to look at the chart. And congratulations, you are almost finished. We have one more mode left to go, and you will know your major scale modes. And we can move on to the minor scale modes, okay? But the next video will be mode 7. And then after that, I have a little treat for you and show you how you could play also major key scales in a minor key song. So stay tuned for that. So I'll see you in the next video. Leave your comments below. If you have any questions, leave them below as well. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, see you on the other side. Bye for now.